back to our guys' animal world. We'll be following along with our little cute puppies today. Puppies are almost 8 weeks old.
Timber.
So Timbit, his name's Timbit. He's a very big boy. He's like one of the biggest dogs in the litter. He's one of the heaviest. Yeah, so one of them is going today. It's not Timbit. But I will be showing Mocha today. And Mocha is the one that's going today, so I really need to get this video done. And he's just chilling out. He's one of the chiller dogs here. And he's one of the sweeter ones. He's the cutest thing. And they do have their tails docked. And their dew claws, this one's dew claws isn't done. But Nova's is done, which I will be role modeling her in this video. But this guy, like his ears are almost as big as my hand, but not quite big. And the video that I did with Blossom when she was pregnant, these are her puppies. These are the ones. She's over there at the gate. And she always wants in, but she doesn't like her puppies anymore. She's like totally ready. She's like, hey, can I leave? Can these puppies leave now? And she's like, shh. And Mom's like, sure, because she really wants the puppies to go. I really want the puppies to go, but they are the cutest things. Nutmeg, and she has one white paw and 3 white fingers. And she likes to nap on the couch, and she is the one that we want to keep.
We are not keeping
Amber, she is very psycho. She's a psycho dog, and she has very sharp teeth. And she loves to run around, she loves to play, and she loves to escape.
How does she escape?
She escapes by trying to climb over the gate and by pushing it to the bookshelf from the table.
Very smart.
Yes, she's very smart. She's a very smart doggy. This one is Cash, and he is one of the heaviest one of the heaviest puppies here, and he is very chillax and very adorable, and he loves to lick people's chins and eat your toes. This is Mocha, and she is one of the talented puppies here. She's one of the cute puppies here, and one of the talented. And she's very adorable, and very, she loves to chew your pants, loves to chew your top, but right now she's very tired, and she loves to play, loves to sleep, and loves to play with the other puppies. And again, this is Mocha. This is Mike. He's one of the intelligent dogs here, and same as Mocha, but he loves to escape. He loves to climb on the chairs, and they love to bark. He is one of the noisy ones.
No, he's not. That's Nova. He's quiet.
Yes. So he's quiet, but the one that I might be revealing next is very noisy. So all the dogs love to play with each other. So the dogs that I was revealing are now trying to climb to play. This is Nova, and she
Elliot.
is one of my favorite dogs because she's the cutest, one of the cutest, and she is very loud. One of the louder puppies, like Nutmeg and Cash and Timbit.
She looks very regal sitting with you right now.
Yes, she's very regal. She almost thinks she's a queen in some sort of ways, but she's just a cute little adorable pup. Yeah, so they are very cute, very intelligent puppies, and we will see what they do today. It's midnight. He is one of the bigger doggies. He's very wound for sound right now. I'm gonna let him go. And he is one of the bigger dogs, one of the more exciting dogs. And he is one of the particular escapes. And Nutmeg, I already did her. You're waiting at the play, aren't you?